Let us do this featured product section right here. So in our database, we can create a separate collection, call it products. And then document ID, I will just click on auto ID. So for the fields, we will have image for each product, a title, a price, and then the rating counts. So I will skip the rating counts. So for simplicity, I will simply take three fields: image, title, and price. So let us do that. So in real project, of course, you have to worry about these ratings as well. So for now, I'm trying to make you understand as easily as I can. So we don't have to take all the fields. So one will be title, and for the value, maybe I will call it awesome headphone. We will have a field called price, and the type is going to be number. So this is not, the price shouldn't be string, it should be integer value. So price can be $20. So I will just put 20. We will have a field for the image. So img link, and you can put any image link right here. So you can use the storage of the Firebase that I have just showed you, or you can simply take one image from the internet for now and paste it right there. So I will go to unsplash.com and just pick a random image. So I'll paste the image link right here, and then so each of this product, it belongs to a category, right? So before I talk about the category, you can see this is a featured product section. So we will have maybe hundreds of products. Do we want it to be featured or not? So for that, we can create a field right here. We can call it is featured, and this can be a Boolean. So we can set it to true or false. If we say it is true, that means it will be in the featured product section. And if we set it to false, that means we don't want it to be in the featured product section. So for this one, I will set it to true. And now each of this product will belong to a category, right? So it can be a food product, it can be a gift product. So each of these categories has a unique ID, if you remember. So let me show you. Where we created the categories collection. Fat. This is our categories collection, and inside that we have two categories right here. And this ID is unique. For each of them, this ID is unique. So what we want, we can create a field in our products collection and create a field, call it category ID. So we can easily identify that this product belongs to this category right here. So for example, this is a gift category, and this is the unique ID. I can copy this ID from here and then paste it in this category ID field right here. So how we can filter this? you will see in maybe later tutorials. So for now, even if you don't understand, don't worry about it. So just know that we will have a field, call it category ID, and inside the value we will have unique ID for each categories, and these are the IDs. Okay, great. So I believe this is it. I can, oh wait, so we will have description for each product. We will have a description, and we can have these other details, but for now I will just skip these details and let me show you the description part. I will show you how to filter things in the categories. Then we will automatically understand how to do these shop sections. Okay, so we will have a description. So I can create a separate field, call it DASC, and for the value it can be anything. I'll just type some random stuff. Okay, and then click on save. I believe these are the fields that we need for the categories. So I'll just simply save it. Now we have a collection called products, and inside that we have one product. Similarly, we can create more product by clicking on this add document button, and make sure if you add document, you add all these fields that we have created. So add all these fields. Anyway, for now, just I will just stick to one product, and let's see if we can fetch it from Firebase. Okay, so we already know how we fetched the categories. Similarly, we will fetch the featured product section. Let us go to the home categories file right here, and let's see what we did. So we created a feature builder, and we created this face categories class. Inside the categories, face categories function, inside the categories we have fetched the data and returned that data, and the feature builder received the data and showed it to the front end. Okay, pretty easy. So we have created a separate controller just for the categories. We can create a separate controller for the products as well. So I'll create a controller inside the controllers folder, products controller dart. And to fetch the data of our products, we can simply copy this function right here, because this exact code we need. So we can paste it, we don't have to write it again. Let us import Cloud Firestore, and I will change the variable names to products. So Firestore, Firebase Firestore.instance.collection. Our collection name is not categories. We want to paste the products collection. So our collection name is products. So I wrote products right here. And then you have to use .get at the end to get all the data of this collection. Okay, great. Now, when I fetch the data, I want to print and say, just so that I can check in the console that our code is working. So I can say products data is this variable right here, .docs. We want to get the first item. We want to just check the first item, and so index 0, and inside that we have many fields. So maybe I will print the title. So instead of category name, I will write title right here, and then we will return this products variable from the function. Okay, that was pretty simple. So just like we did in the home categories file, let us go to this featured product file and write the feature builder. So This is the featured products file that we have created, and here we will return a feature builder instead of this container. This container will be returned from inside the feature builder. Okay, let's see what we did here. So initially you will not understand everything, so make sure you check the previous code, so it will be easier for you to understand. Okay, so the more you go to your previous code, the more you see it will sink in. So the first thing we did, it was just a simple feature builder. Inside that we have a builder. Okay, let's see if we can create it. So one will be feature builder. Inside the feature builder, we will have a builder, a context snapshot, and we will return the feature builder to the build function, right? So I can write return here. So if you return something, you have to put semicolon at the end. Now, right here, we will return this container. So let us cut these codes from here. Now you already know we are going to put some condition and say if snapshot.has data. In that case, you return this code that we have just copied. We cut it. So if you have data, then go to this section. If you don't have any data, let me just show you in simpler way. So if you have the data, then you show the data. Else if you have error, we can simply return a text showing something went wrong. Else, meaning if you don't have the data, if you don't have the error, that means you are simply trying to load the data. So in the else, we can return a circular progress indicator. So inside the this block right here, snapshot.has data, we can paste our code, the front-end code that we have done. Okay, great. Now we also need some other fields right here. One will be the future, right? So let us create the future here, and we want to go to this products controller. Inside that we have this, let us change the name, page featured products. So inside this class, we have this function that we want to hit. So let us go to products controller dot fetch featured products. Okay. I believe that's it. Now the data type we will receive is query snapshot. If you remember, in our home categories, we have added this line with the feature builder. Okay. Now, okay, I believe that's it. Now, let me restart the project and see what happens. Let us open the debug console, and we're getting some data. Product data is awesome headphone. So if you remember, our first product title was awesome headphone, and we are printing this line from this function for products controller dot fetch featured products. Now let us create another product, just so I can show you how to do filter. Meaning we set is featured to true, meaning show this product in the featured section right here. But what if we have another product that is featured true to false? How do we filter it? Let's see. So for that, let us create another document. We will have all these fields from here. I don't remember all the fields, so maybe I will take a screenshot. I'll just take a screenshot from this so I can see and write. So I took the screenshot. Now I click on this add document button right here. For the document ID, I will click on auto ID, and for the field, let's see. The first field name is category ID, and then the description field. So category ID. For the category ID, I will select this one, the second one, inside the categories collection. I'll paste it right here. Then we have this DESC field. DESC, I'll put some random value. Then we have the IMG link. IMG link. And I will copy another link, maybe this one. Copy image address and paste it right here. We have is featured. So is featured, this will be a boolean, and this time I will set it to false. I don't want this product to show in the featured section. Next we have the price and the title. So the price will be number, and I just removed it accidentally. Price will be a number, and the value may be 10. We have the title section. For this one, I will just say anything. It can be anything. So this is the title. I'll just say. Okay. So I believe these are the fields for each product. Okay, great. I will hit save. So we just created this product. Now if I restart, let's see this product. Oh wait, we didn't make it dynamic, did we? So inside this featured product file, we have to say in this item count that snapshot dot data dot docs dot length, meaning how many data you get from the database. In our case, we have 2 products. So run the loop that many times. So it is throwing an error saying the docs cannot be unconditionally invoked. So we can put this nullable sign right here, and the error will be gone. Okay, if I restart the project now, it shows 2 product because we have 2 items in our product collection. So let us make dynamic the image, the title, and everything. So in the image.network right here, we will remove this and make it dynamic like this. So our image link field name is IMG link. IMG link. Similarly, we can show the title right here. TITLE. We can remove this const. This is the price section. Now to show the price inside this colon, this quotation right here, we can use a $sign and a second bracket and then paste our code. So this will not be image link, this will be price, PRICE, remove this const, otherwise it will say invalid constant value. Okay, so we didn't take any field for the ratings, so I will just keep it like this. Okay, now if I hit save, we can see our image from database, the title, the price, and we didn't make this section dynamic, so it is still like before. Okay, great. So it is working, right? Now the question is, what if we want only the products that has is featured to true? We have two products. One has is featured to false, and another one has is featured. Oh, sorry, this is not the products collection, is it? Yes, this is the one. I mean, so one of the products has is featured to true, and another product has is featured to false. We want to fetch the products which has is featured to true. How do we filter that? So in here, where we are fetching the products, right here, when we are fetching the collection, the products collection, we can say dot where is featured. Inside this where is featured to true, like this. Sorry, is equal to, not like that, sorry. So dot where is featured is equal to true, like this. And then we have to use dot get at the end to get this data. So if I explain again, Firebase Firestore dot instance dot collection, our collection name is products, where this is featured is equal to true. We can filter other fields as well. So similarly, if I say title, where title is equal to this is the title, if I say this is the title, it will filter based on the title. So we have to filter based on is featured, like this. So let's see if it works. If I restart the project right now, okay, great. It is fetching only one product which has is featured to true. So this is how you can filter any fields in Firebase.